What's going on, everybody? My name is Yeti Nano. I'm a photographer and web video producer. In this video, let's take a first look and what's in the box of the blue Yeti Nano. Now, I decided to pick up this blue Yeti Nano because I've gotten more and more into podcasting and I need better audio. Also, I'm going to be launching a podcast regarding why you shouldn't go to college as an artist and how I tried to switch from Google Chrome to Firefox in the name of privacy and then had to go back to Google Chrome because things were just not working out, chief. So let's dive right into it. So first and foremost, the things that you get in the box with the blue Yeti Nano are this. This is a micro USB to regular USB cable, which is really odd and a little bit disappointing over the fact that they have not switched this to USB-C. Would have been a great idea to do that. You also get this little nail right here in case you want to screw it onto a top post for less shake. And of course, you get the blue Yeti Nano. Now, the reason that you might want to get this microphone is because of two reasons. First and foremost, the size. As you can see here, it's super tiny. It is about the same size as a film camera, so maybe like a film camera and a half in terms of size. Secondly, the budget. This is probably Yeti's cheapest microphones, ringing in at $100, maybe even cheaper if you can find it on a good deal. And personally, the reason I went with this microphone was because of the size. And secondly, as you can see here from the box, it has two options, which is the cardioid, which means that only one individual is speaking, and the omnidirectional, just in case you want to host a podcast with multiple people, you just put this in the center and everybody can be talking at once. And to me, that will personally educate me more, and that way I don't run into the overchoice dilemma. So let's talk about the build quality. As you can see here, it's a pretty small microphone. The build quality, it feels pretty sturdy. It's not going to be like, vibranium or anything. It feels like a pretty good stainless steel. There are certain parts that are a little bit plasticky. So as you can see right here, the levers that allow you to kind of move it are also pretty sturdy, but I feel like you're going to have to tighten them pretty well in order for them to be kept in one place. And let's talk about the make or break for most people, which is the gains button. Now in the back, it has the pattern pickup that you want to have. And you are already being limited by two choices, and you also have the gains button that they took away. Now that's to save money and to lower the price, obviously, but ask yourself if you really find it necessary to keep the gains volume on there. You can do it in the software. However, some people really like to prefer it. So that might be the make or break deal. In terms of feeling right here, where the mic is, it feels pretty great. I can't describe it too much, but it feels like a really nice netted material. And then right here, the volume button is super tiny, and you can also plug in your microphones on the bottom so that you can hear how you sound. Overall, it's small, it's tiny, and I personally know that it's gonna get the job that I wanted to get done in terms of podcasting, because I didn't want anything that was gonna be like too overkill in case I wanna go back and I don't really enjoy podcasting. And the one thing I'm disappointed in is that it comes in space gray and there is no silver option. Yeti, blue, why'd you do that to us, bro? Other than that, it is an awesome mic. That I hope to hear it, and you can hear my semi-review on my podcast, which are on Anchor and Spotify. So if you want to listen to like a chopped up version of that, you can hear it again. Check out my podcast. I'll be talking about that, school, Chrome, privacy, all that stuff, and I'll also upload it to my channel. That's all for today. I thank you so much for your time and your attention. My name is Yeti Nano, and I'll catch you in the next one.